Hello. My name is Kevin Owasu Itoy, and welcome once again to my blog, Teach Yourself Test Automation. I am teaching myself Selenium WebDriver with Java, okay? And I implore you to follow along, update your skill sets. I'm always saying that, so I'll stop saying that because by now you probably know what this is all about, right? So, right, day 21 today, and we're dealing with alerts, Java alerts, right, using Selenium WebDriver with Java. Sometimes you get onto a web page, right, and you get a pop-up. You suddenly get a pop-up, right, but you're not able to interact with that pop-up, right? So you cannot right click and inspect the element and automate it, right, because it's kind of like a disabled pop-up, right? In that sense, when you have that kind of pop-up, then you're dealing with a Java alert pop-up, right? But if you can interact with that pop-up and you right click and you can inspect the element and you can find elements on that pop-up, then you're dealing with an HTML pop-up, right? So for Java alert pop-ups, obviously not written in HTML, I have a website here that we can practice on, right? So if we take this website off my blog, copy it, and we head straight to our Eclipse, right? So we click on my project and new, and we do a class. So we are doing a test case, right? So we just say Java pop-up, and we go public static void main, right? So by now you know the drill. You go to another test case, get your 3 or 2 most common common line of code for all the test cases. Go back to our Java pop-up alert and we put it in there. Replace this URL with the URL we are going to be using. Again, I don't like this. So we click undo typing. This is not good. Copy this again. Hopefully this time it just works. That's it. Sorry about that. So if we run this, it will just open that website, right? Let's just open the website and you see what I'm talking about. Website we're going to practice on, okay? Here we go. So this is the website we're going to be practicing on, okay? We're going to click on that and we're going to see, if you right click here, you cannot inspect that element. You have to deal with it in another fashion, right? And same here, if you right click on that, you cannot inspect that element, those elements, right? You have to deal with it in another fashion, right? So I'm going to show you just now how to do that. So if you go driver dot, now the method you want to do is switch, right? It switches it away from the HTML web window to your Java pop-up, right? And you can interact with the Java pop-up, right? So it's switch to, and it's dot. So you switch to alert, right? So it's alert, right? Go down one, dot. Now if you want to do a positive action on that pop-up, it's accept, right? So you just click on accept, right? Now let's run this, and if we open actually we cannot just run that straight away. We have to inspect the element, right? So we have to find that. See, you have to be paying attention, right? So let's go into here. We have to find that element first before we can click on it. Can't we? Yeah, so we have to find that element first before. So we want to find this element. So we want to inspect this. I want to write an XPath, right? So we'll go write an XPath for onClick, okay? onClick. So we'll copy that. Just go Control F // so it's button open quotations iterate on click is equals to open and close single quotations, close square brackets, and then you want to put in your value. Okay, so that's 1 of 1, so we've identified that element, right? So let's copy our XPath. I'm always writing with XPath, sorry, and there's not much here to use either than writing with XPath. Okay, so we head back here. So what we want to do is we want to find that element, click on that element, and then deal with the pop-up that comes up. Okay, so this is what we want to do. The pop-up comes up and we click on OK. Okay, right, so we go driver dot get, no, it's not get, it's find, right? Find element by dot, so we're going to do XPath, open and close double quotations, put in your XPath in there, and you say dot click. Okay, now we can run it, right? If you were paying attention, I was ahead of myself there, so sorry about that. Now we can run this. Okay, come on, it's a bit slow. It will be very fast. I think it will be very fast. So you saw it there, right? And it's actually, there's a result down there. If you see that, it says you successfully clicked an alert, right? So if we come out of that, and let's try to do this one, and then now we click on cancel. Okay, so inspect, so close that, inspect this. Now we also have a click on here, so we'll just copy that value. I hope you can follow this, right? Just copy that value, put it into this. So you're just exchanging the XPath to the other button. Okay, put it in there. Oh, I think we didn't do it right. So let's untype that. Right, so we just want to replace the value, right? On click value in there, right? So we put it in there, and here, because we want to click a negative, so a positive was to click on OK. To cancel now, I want to click a negative, right? So you go dot dismis. Okay, and we run this. Now this should open that and click on cancel. Okay, here we go. A bit slow again. Thank you guys for interacting. Okay, thank you very much. It's much appreciated. And you saw it right there, right? That was very fast. I was talking, so I'll run that again so that you actually see that. Actually, I think there was a result on page, so I could have just shown you the result on page, but here we go. Here we go. Very fast, right? And it says you clicked on cancel, right? So also a success there. And then there's a last one I want to show you, right? So if we click on this pop-up, we can able to grab that text. Okay, we can able to grab that text. So let's try and automate for that. Okay, so what you want to use is same, switch to your alert, and then you say dot get text. As simple as that, right? And then you want to put your so let's run that, and that should grab the text. But as you might have noticed, it will run and it will do something, but we'll not see it. So in order to see that, we have to put that into our print console, And to do that, we have to use the print command, right? The Java print command. So it's clicked on it, but if we go up now, you should not see anything here. So there's no action. The action that we have to use now is the print command. So we go system, so that we should be able to see the print out into our console, right? System dot out dot print. Now you want to get rid of all this, and then should be a bracket after that. And then let's run this, and now you should be able to see that text printed in our output, in our console, okay? Sorry, I'm being a bit quiet. I'm thinking, and right, so we've clicked on it and we've grabbed this, and we should be able to see I am a JS confirmed, right? Should be able to see that in our console printed output, right? And that's it down there, right? Nice one. Thank you very much for interacting, for engaging with what the content I put out there. And please continue to do so. I am teaching myself. This is the way to teach yourself, by the way. You learn deep, right? Deep learning. If you actually take time to capture, measure your progress, right? As I'm doing for my blog and my YouTube videos, right? So do the same thing, right? Capture your progress. Otherwise, you will not learn in a deep way, okay? Now, there's another thing I wanted to show you, but I've not found an example, and I probably will put it onto another video. It actually is, you can send keys into a text box on a Java pop-up, right? I've seen an example pop-up where I could send some text into the pop-up, right? So I cannot show you that. But thanks for engaging again, and once again, subscribe if you find this helpful in any way, and I'll keep putting content out there. So you want to click on the bell icon so you're notified of videos I put out there, okay? So thanks again, much appreciated, and take care. Bye. God bless. Bye.